Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, you are highly welcomed. I can't even tell you how happy I am each time I have a new member in my channel. Please join the family because on this channel we talk about beauty, we talk about hair care, we make DIY products for your skin. I also make vlogs, just a little bit of everything. Please subscribe, turn your notification on too so you know when I upload new videos. Like, comment and share this video. I just want to say thank you to everyone, both old and new subscribers. Thank you all so much for all of your support. So today I'm going to show you guys how to clear your dark neck. Guys, let me tell you, this topic is so personal to me because it's something that I have experienced for some time. It's so bad that most times it makes you feel so insecure. Like when you have a dark neck, you're all dressed up, your face is like light and your like down here is like bright and then the neck is dark. It's just not good. And don't even think of using a makeup on your neck because it gets so worse, especially if you have kids or you're putting on a bright colored top. You already know what's gonna happen next. Like dark clothes is ruined. So I had to look for a solution because it was making me uncomfortable. Like when people look at me, I feel like they're looking at my neck, you know. So I was able to get things together, which I'm about to show you in few minutes. Yeah, and I'm telling you that it's less than 2 weeks that I started using this and there's a big difference, as you can see. Yeah, you can still tell. Like look down here, let me get closer. But now it's almost the same color as my face, which is what I've been trying to achieve. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything that we need for this DIY and I will be back. I must tell you that all the products that you need for this is so easy to get. It's very cheap. It's something that almost everyone have at home, but then if you don't, you can buy it at any grocery store of your choice. And what else? Yeah, so just stay with me. I'll show you how to make it and also and also tell you how to use this product in order to get a very fast result. So just stick with me. Welcome back guys, my name is Vera. I'm sorry I forgot to say that earlier. Okay, so back to the remedy. The first product that we'll need is our baking soda. You already know how good baking soda can be when it comes to exfoliation. It's very active. Okay, so I'll just put 1 tablespoon. Then the next thing that we're going to add is our raw honey. Now remember, you can add extra. You understand how many spoons? It depends on how much quantity you want to make. Yeah, so this is our honey. 1 tablespoon too. Honey is so good on the skin. Then the next thing that we're going to add is our ground turmeric. Oh no, that is too much. And then now we're going to add our sugar. Add as much quantity as you like. Two, that's enough for me. So So the next thing that we're going to add is our lemon. If you want, you can take off the seeds, but I just don't care. Now listen, you want this to be thick. This is the consistency that you're looking for. So the more products you add, the more, you know, lemon you add. But half is enough with what I have here. You want it to be this consistency so that when you're applying it on your neck, it's not gonna be too watery. Okay. Also remember, when you're applying this, do not put on any clothes that you're not ready to get rid of, because this turmeric, it can stain your clothes and it will never go off. Yeah, so I mostly do it when I'm about to shower. So I know that once I'm done, I'll shower at once. Okay, so yeah, that's it. We'll go ahead and apply this. Now if you're doing this for the first time, use it, like apply it on your neck for 3 days, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then go down to once a week. Okay, because of the baking soda in it, you don't want to use it every day, you know, for more than 3 days, because I just don't know if it's going to have a side effect or something, right? So what I did the first time when I started it, I used it for 3 good days, and then I went down to 1 week. Yeah, and when I feel like I've gotten the shade of color that I'm looking for, I can go down to once in 2 weeks. Yeah, but right now it's once a week that I apply this on my neck. If you have been watching my videos or you've seen any of my DIY videos, go to the comments. You will see so many people that have tried it and testified. I'm telling you, I will not post anything that I'm not sure of. But again, because of skin type, if you use this and you start getting irritation or something, just stop. Okay, but for me, I don't feel anything. I've like nothing. It's been working for me. So guys, go ahead and try this remedy and come back here to testify. I'm telling you, you're going to see a huge difference. This is something that I am using, so I'm telling you what I know. Yeah, make sure to follow the instructions as I've given. First 3 days and then go down to 1 week. Okay, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to check my my old videos. There's so many remedies that I have there. If you're having like dark knuckles or dark underarm, whatever, make sure to check my videos. If you have not subscribed, please, I'm begging you, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And please, whenever you see my video, just watch and give your girls some support. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok. Yeah. Take care of you guys and show kindness wherever you find yourself. I love you guys so much. Bye.